Hello, this is Pastor Mark Burns. I am so excited to announce the coming of an Interfaith International Conference called United in Liberty, the Rise of the Spiritual Diplomats, where everyone from around the world is headed to Washington, D.C., October the 28th, where faith leaders are coming together under the auspice and the grounds of peace. This is a time like never before, where we're putting aside our differences, putting aside our faith differences, and coming together as one people, one voice to bring peace around the world. I don't want you to meet me there. I want you to beat me there. October the 28th, Washington, D.C., United in Liberty, an Interfaith International Spiritual Conference, the Rise of the Spiritual Diplomat.